Good afternoon everyone. This is our group 4 presentation about edge computing.
Edge computing. Edge computing is a distributed computing paradigm that brings computation and data storage closer to the location where is it needed to improve response time, save bandwidth. In many instances, it would be incredibly beneficial to handle data on the device where it generated. That where edge computing comes in. Edge computing help decentralized data processing and low dependent on the clouds. And because of the confidentiality and safety of the user, a security agent box is provided for it. A possible solution to better secure IoT generate data is an IoT management element called the security agent. This new piece would use router and other near edge boxes to manage the computing the IoT device could not take on.
Edge computing has several advantages such as better, more responsive, and robust application performance. The second one is reducing operational costs, understand the process, and are working day with it. Improving business efficiently and reliability. The fourth is unlimited scalability. It is a system ability to increase or decrease in performance. The second one is securing network and computing resources. The last, reducing latency. Latency is to describe a computer network that is optimized to process a very high volume of data message. Edge computing use cases, prime use cases which full advantage of edge computing technology include autonomous vehicles, the decision of to stop for a pedestrian crossing in front of an autonomous vehicle or AV must made immediately. Relying on a remote server to handle this decision is not reasonable. Additionally, vehicles that utilize edge technology can interact more efficiently because they can communicate with each other as opposed to sending data on accident. The autonomous vehicle, it helps a lot because they can reduce the accident and for the safety of the human being. They can communicate with each other first as opposed to sending data or an accident. Edge computing can help. Healthcare device, health monitors and other wearable healthcare device can keep an eye on chronic conditions for patients. It can save lives by instantly altering caregivers when help is required. Additionally, robots assisting in surgery must be able to quickly analyze data in order to assist safely, quickly, and accurately. If this device rely on transmitting data on the cloud before making decisions, the result cloud be fatal.
Security solutions. Because it's necessary to respond to threats within seconds, security surveillance system can also benefit from edge computing technology. Security system can identify potential threat and alert users to usual activity in real time. Security solution, ito ang mga sistema ng pagsubaybay sa seguridad ay maaaring makinabang mula sa edge computing technology. At ang mga sistema ng seguridad ay maaaring makilala ang mga potensyal na banta. Next, retail advertising. Targeted ads and information for retail organization are based on key parameters such as demographic information set on field devices. In this use case, edge computing can help protect users' privacy. It can encrypt the data and keep the source rather than sending unprotected information to the cloud. Retail advertising naman, ito ay maaaring makatulong na maprotektahan ang mga iniingatang impormasyon o pagmamayari ng mga gumagamit.
Smart speakers. Smart speakers can gain the ability to interpret voice instructions locally in order to run basic commands, turning on or off, or adjusting thermostat settings even if internet connectivity fails would be possible. Smart speakers are available to answer questions, set timers, reminds and alarm. The best speaker is Amazon Echo Dot, Amazon Studio, and even Alexa. Smart speakers worth it? Overall, smart speakers generally aren't worth it. It's just an outlet for buying things. Video conferencing. Poor video quality, voice delays, frozen screens, a slow link, the cloud can cause many video conferencing frustrations. By placing the server side of video conferencing software close to participants, quality problems can be reduced. Video conferencing is a live video-based meeting between two or more people in different locations. Using video-enabled devices, we all know that the internet was slow, the quality of video is not good. And because of that, there are many troubles, especially in buffering of voice or being choppy.
Getting up to speed design for organization. Investing heavily in this critical technology. Introduction to Edge Computing is a 5-course program to design to train entire team to support Edge Computing. The online demand course included in this program. We have 5 course. Overview of Edge Computing, practical application of edge computing, research challenges in edge computing, design security solution for edge cloud and IoT, tools and software for edge computing. Ang edge computing ay may 5 kurso na programa na dinedesign upang sanayin ng iyong buong kupunan upang suportahan ang gilid ng computing. Getting up to speed design for organization. Investing heavily in this critical technology. Introduction to Edge Computing is a 5-course program to design to train entire team to support edge computing. The online demand course included in this program. We have 5 cores. Overview of edge computing, practical application of edge computing, research challenges in edge computing, design security solution for edge cloud and IoT, tools and software for edge computing. Ang edge computing ay may 5 kurso na programa na dinedesign upang sanayin ng iyong buong kupunan upang suportahan ang gilid ng computing.